Cottonwood Creek Park features new amenities now that erosion repairs are nearly finished.
Everybody seems really excited. We are ready for people to enjoy it as well. I think it'll be really nice. This park floods every time it rains. We do still anticipate there to be flooding, but the idea is that that water won't damage the park further.
Construction started last October and should be wrapped up this fall.
We're very close to completion. We're doing the final details, but for the most part, we're done with the engineering component, and now we're just trying to make it beautiful for the residents to enjoy.
This was the city's first creek repair project following a citywide study to determine problem areas.
Cottonwood Creek is a very large creek here in Frisco, and we are on the downstream end of the watershed, so we get quite a bit of flow that comes through here, very fast moving water. And so it was tearing up the banks, it was chewing up the ponds, and we were at risk of losing the ponds and the creek.
City engineers implemented different types of materials and structures to shore up the creek bank and bed.
We did what's called geocell matting. Basically what it does is it puts in like tendons and a rope system that helps keep the slopes stable, but it allows grass to go through.
Gabion baskets, metal baskets full of rock, were also installed to keep the creek bank stable.
When that water hits the creek, it's not hitting a soft dirt, it's hitting rock. So it won't erode away, it'll hold that creek bank up.
And green baskets along the creek bank are called scourlock.
And those are filled with rock and dirt, and then we put plantings and seeds in there so that eventually that root system takes over and will create a much more natural look to it, which is a lot more appealing for a park.
Severe weather events since the project started show the repairs are working.
In April, we had a 50-year storm event, which is actually pretty historic for Frisco. It was a very intense storm. And the engineering structures that we put in, the retaining walls, the gabion walls, the reinforcement matting, the bendway weirs, all of that stood up and protected the creek.
The project also allowed for enhancements to be made to the park.
The boardwalk is new, and so is an ADA fishing pier. The front of the pier is a little bit lower.
That boardwalk loops around in between the ponds and gives access to the new ADA accessible fishing pier.
In rain events, the trail loop will be closed just because we do expect water to overflow.
The project cost roughly $3.4 million. Costs are covered by stormwater utility and parks fees.
It's a really good project where we merged nature and science together to combine an amenity that I think is going to be really great for the residents to enjoy, but also help get this floodwater through the city.
Work is expected to be complete by the end of 2022.